Maybe I'll show this quickly too. And I understand that there's only a portion of people here are from Canada, but I think this is highly relevant, even if you are in the US or other countries. This is from the Financial Post, of all people. Canada needs to prepare as the risk of bank runs rises, warns report. Emerging clouds on the horizon signal changes needed to the existing checks and balances. Well, we're definitely not going to listen to that weirdo. Get out of here. What was the part that I want? Oh, okay. So this is the part I wanted to kind of share. The Bank of Canada could also play a role in modifying the structure of its emergency liquid facilities to make them easier for banks to access in times of stress. Quote, the moment a bank goes to the Bank of Canada looking for money, it immediately signals that the bank is in trouble. Nobody wants to do that because it basically says you have lost confidence of the financial markets at that stage. He said none of the options he is presenting are perfect, but his key message is that people should start talking about what kind of banking system they want in the future, given what happened in recent years. Okay. Well, I mean, they're absolutely right. I think that Canada is in a world of trouble right now. I think that anybody paying attention could tell you that. I think it was last week our Minister of Finance, who just happened to have been a journalist before taking on that role, she increased our mortgage terms to 30 years. And she also pretty much removed the stress test on mortgages for people. So you got that. You got the fact that our government here has basically sold all of its assets. It's gold anyways. Since Trudeau took power, he's basically reduced our gold reserve to zero. So I think that Canadians, more than anybody out there, need Bitcoin. And again, full props to Trudeau. He's created many great Bitcoiners in Canada. So I think that it's happening. But I think that Canadians, more than anybody else, should be doing everything in their power for themselves, for their family, and for their community, of letting people know what's going on here in Canada, the real situation here, and also giving them options for how to possibly save some of that wealth